Hey everybody, I'm here with a great tip for seed starting season. This one comes to us from one of our readers, and it's just another way to go about labeling your seedlings early in the season. All you're going to need is a pack of colored toothpicks. We're going to use this as kind of a coding system for our labels. So there's about 4 or 5 different colors in here. I've gone ahead and chosen a different color for each of the types of tomatoes I want to grow this year. And I'm going to go ahead and use a red toothpick for my Redfield Beauty tomatoes here from Seed Savers. And as a way to remind myself of what color I've chosen, I'm going to go ahead and stick that toothpick right in the seed packet, so there is no mistaking what goes with what. And as you can see here, I've chosen a few different colors for the different types of tomatoes I have here. That's going to be my coding system. So when I go to actually plant my seedlings, I can just take one of those colored toothpicks, red for my Redfield Beauty, and pop those right in my 6-pack that will represent those seedlings. Now, if you've got more seedlings than the color of toothpicks provided, you can get creative and either double up your colors and maybe do 2 green to represent, or maybe mix it up and do green and blue. Just make sure that you go ahead and stab those in your packet so you remember for later. For more great garden tips, be sure to check out our website at gardengatemagazine.com.